Hello and welcome to this new video. This time I will be talking about mutable and immutable data types. There is a big difference between a list and a string. A list value is a mutable data type, which means that it can have values added, removed, or changed. However, a string is immutable, so it cannot be changed. Trying to reassign a single character in a string results in a type error, as you can see by entering the following code into your terminal. So I'm gonna start with the name equal Sophie, a cat. Name 7 equals D. And as you can see, it returns an error because strings does not support item assignment. The proper way to mutate a string is to use slicing and concatenation to build a new string by copying from parts of the old string. Let's enter the following code into the interactive shell. Name equals Sophie a cat. New name equals name from 0 to 7 plus D plus name from 8 to 12. And now let's print name, which is Sophie a cat, and let's print new name, which is Sophie the cat. Although a list value is mutable, the second line in the following code does not modify the list x. So x equal 1, 2, 3, and then x equal 4, 5, and 6. And if we print x, we get 4, 5, and 6. The list value in x isn't being changed here, rather an entirely new and different list value 4, 5, and 6 is overriding the old list value 1, 2, and 3. If you wanted to actually modify the original list in x to contain 4, 5, and 6, you will have to do something like this. X equal 1, 2, and 3. Then del x2, del x1, and del x0, and then use append to append 4, 5, and 6. And finally print x, and we get 4, 5, and 6. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you.